Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from the Beauty Forever Hair.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So full disclosure, I have to film. I filmed this a second time because I was filming it on the wrong setting. That's my life. Came with a cap, okay, as well as this 24-inch wig. We are going through and doing a brown highlight body wave unit, okay. Look at that lace. It's really kind of tinted too, guys. Get into that, okay. It busts up on you, so you can see that she has two combs in the front, okay. One in the back, as well as lace in the back. Adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. She's really pretty. The hair is soft to the touch, like fresh out. Now, I'm going to do the ball cap method and throw mother on. I think I'm going to do the ball cap method. Did y'all see me try to put the wig on with a scarf on? Okay. It's one of those days, y'all. So, bear with me. I'm going to shut my mammy tip mouth, okay? I'm going to give you guys the deets in the video, so don't worry. And I'm just going to start with the ball cap method and get mother all the way together. All right, my loves, let's get on into this unit. So I'm just going to take my time and go ahead and do the bald head method, the ball cap method. Now, I did not do a good job on this one this time around. That's primarily because I did not let her dry as long as she should have. And I think that I got a little bit of air into my boho liquid gold, which caused it to be a little less potent. Like, it's not holding as hard as it usually did, and that's annoying as well. So again, I kind of rushed the process, and this is why you should take your time if you're going to do this method. It's really important to do that. So I'm just going on through and laying this daggone ball cap down so we can finally get into this mammy tatin wig. Okay, so this unit is the Beauty Forever TL412 Human Hair Lace Front Wig. Okay, so she's a blonde highlight wig. I have a 13x4 lace front closure. She's 150% density and 24 inches. Okay, this unit is currently going for $300. I heard you, Angela. I heard you like, girl, this ain't for me. But she is. This unit is super cute. I really, really do love this wig. For more reasons than one. I really enjoyed the lace. She was super easy to get together. And that's always great. I think that the ball cap method helped immensely, especially because this is a colored unit. So sometimes that colored hair, if you like wear a certain kind of cap, you can kind of see through the lace, and that's just not hot. So you want to make sure that all the way around you're covered, okay? Now, I experienced a little bit of shedding with this hair, as well as a little bit of tangling. And that's being honest. To the touch, the hair is kind of, it's not as soft as I may have liked it. However, let me take that back. I kind of like when the texture of the hair is a little bit more thicker. And I know this sounds weird when I say natural. I mean natural to me, maybe not natural to a Brazilian woman, you know what I mean? But like a natural kind of texture hair, I like it when it's a little, I can do a little bit more with it because I find that the curls hold a little bit better. So I'm just going to go on through. I'm going to use my Aussie Freeze spray, and I'm going to curl this mammy tatin hair up. Okay, I believe the curling iron I'm using is my Karen SC barrel curler, and I'm just going to go on through with her on the bottom. And then at the top, I'm going to use my Babyliss wand curler, okay? But first things first, make sure you use a heat protectant, okay, on all hair. Your hair, their hair, her hair needs to be protected. Let me tell y'all something. I actually had a lot of fun doing this hair. I'm going to turn around. Okay, the curls in the back might not be as great, but this is a lesson. Curl that hair on the mannequin head. Don't be like me, okay? So this is the hair in the back. Okay, she's a 24-inch unit. She's super lightweight, almost like a little too lightweight to me. I'm gonna tell you the things that I experienced that I wasn't hella happy about. So I really do like this unit. She's super cute, or whatever the case may be. However, there were some things about it I wasn't like a hella happy about. So I wanted to come through and give you guys this like bouffant, sexy, y'all know I love me some big curl look. Okay, I'm gonna just go in here. Y'all know how I do. Get in there with that freeze spray, and this will help tease it out. Tease it out, because I like a little bouffant. Okay, yeah, that's better. There's this Instagram influencer who I'm obsessed with. I think her name is Charlie something, but I'm gonna leave her Instagram here, and she had this fire extra curly hairstyle, and I said, you know what I'm gonna do? That. You know what I'm gonna do? That. Okay, and we did, and we used Beauty Forever hair, and I'm going to talk about it. Okay, look, let's talk about our experience with Beauty Forever hair. Full disclosure, I had this wig on for 2 days. All I did was put it on one night and threw it up in a ponytail and just wore it in a ponytail for 2 days. Okay, so this is actually a couple days later, her being combed out, everything. First things first, mother tangled. Mother tangled and mother shed. Okay, I'm going to be honest. Mother tangled and mother shed. I really wasn't here for that, because it wasn't that she tangled. Like, wigs tangle, hair tangles, your hair tangles, so why wouldn't we expect wig hair to tangle? You know what I mean? So I'm always like really conscious of that. I think it was more that the way that the hair felt, the texture of the hair, I was a little bit, I don't know if it's because it's dyed hair that it feels that way. Sorry guys, if it's dyed hair that it feels that way, or because it's just, I don't know, but I know that I was kind of taken aback by that, if I could be quite honest. Okay, but we got it together though. So all in all, I think for the price point, she's actually not that bad. Like, you know what I mean? Especially if you're looking for a unit that's colored. I just would have preferred a thicker unit, especially because it's colored. Like, I think that that's a personal thing. You know what I mean? I would have preferred it thicker and maybe a little less tangling and shedding. I was driving and was like, but that's what happens when you dye hair. Your hair, her hair, your mama hair, your granny hair. That's what happens. Falls out. Okay? However, I don't know if I like this hair because I like my style or because I like the hair. But the style is fire. Okay? And I don't care what nobody thinks. I love me some big hair. Some big sexy. And I'm feeling this. I don't care what y'all think. Okay, Neil, tell me what y'all think. Bust down. Tell me what you think. I done came through giving love, sex, and magic circa 1972. Okay, are you picking it up? Are you picking it up? I am. I'm feeling her, okay? And I know I don't talk, but I actually am feeling her. And that's primarily because I styled her really nice. I styled her the exact way that I wanted to. So, I'm proud of me. Can we get a round of applause for them kids in the back? So, before we leave, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Tell me what you guys think about this. And I'll get back to you guys.
I think it's great.
Bye. Oh, you think it's great? He likes it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.